Christmas present. Dun, dun, dun. Thank you so much. And it was delivered today. Galaxy S24 Ultra. Do not accept if seal is broken. Okay.
You cannot throw anything in.
Yeah.
I need it for the...
Oh. Yeah, I'm very careful.
Wow!
Here's the phone.
Display diagonal 6.8. Display resolution 3120 by 1440 pixels. Screen shape flat. Display technology marketing name Dynamic AMOLED 2X. Display glass type Gorilla Glass.
The color is purple.
Display number of
It's not
colors
really obvious, maybe
16
because
million
of the
colors. Maximum refresh rate 120 Hz. Storage
headlines.
RAM capacity 12 gigabytes.
stylus.
Internal storage capacity 512 G.
There's the stylus here. Kidding. What would you like to eat? So I'm not sure if this is pre-charged. Let me try to open it.
I don't think so.
No.
Phones usually have to charge fully first.
So I'll show it later. This is it.
Ik lig gewoon zelf mijn neus in gezelschap. En je gaat naar bed. Des te eerder is die rotkerst voorbij.
Rear camera type quad camera. Rear camera resolution 200 MP. Second rear camera resolution 50 MP. Third rear camera resolution 12 MP. Fourth rear camera resolution 10 MP. Rear camera aperture number 1.7. Second rear camera aperture number 3.4. Third rear camera apert. Network SIM card capability Dual SIM. Mobile network generation 5G SIM card type Nano SIM plus eSIM. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is a phone that seems to do it all. With a high-end display, versatile cameras, excellent battery life and unique Gen